May sakit ka, that's what you see. But He said, I am Jehovah Rapha, I will heal you. Wala kang pera ngayon, that's what you see. But He said, I am your Jehovah Jireh, I will provide for you. Talunan ka na ngayon, bagsak ang lahat. Sabi, that's what you see. But God said, I am your Jehovah Tzidkenu. I am your banner. I am your victory. I am your shout of victory. At I want you to understand, God said, you will pass through this victoriously because I am Jehovah God. Patay na ang relationship. Patay na ang lahat. Patay na ang finances. Sabi ni Lord, I am the resurrection and the life. Even though everything will die, I can resurrect it by my word, says God. At ang sabi mo, Lord, hindi ko na alam kung saan ako pupunta. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ako susuling. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ako magtitiwala. Sabi ni Lord, I am your El Shaddai. I am your Almighty God. Almightier than anyone else.